rich taste of nature. Deep in the volcanic mountains of Costa Rica, where only the brave may venture to arrive. Challenging journey to reach the pure water source. This is home of Monterreal Water. Walking among nature to reach the source. The richest water in Costa Rica. A true tribute to nature. Capturing the essence of the nature. The purity of Monterreal under the sunlight. From the mountain to your table. It's rich in every drop.
Monterreal Water.